We're out in the Painted Tree community in McKinney, Texas. This available Bloomfield home has 5 bedrooms, 4 full baths, and a 2-car garage. Let's take a look inside. As we enter in, your tall 8-foot door has the ironwork on the front and inset textured glass. The frosted design allows for privacy while letting in all this natural light into the entryway. To the right of the entryway, you have this hall closet with tons of shelves. Beyond that is your hall full bath with a step-in shower and tile all the way to the ceiling with the wide privacy window letting in natural light. Right next to the entry, you also have your front bedroom, double windows out to the front yard. And over here, double doors into your closet. Continuing down the hall, past the stairs, you have your understairs storage in this closet that goes all the way back around the corner. Plenty of space in here for storage. On the opposite side, you have your mud space with hooks above and a bench below. Flowing into your laundry space, hookups below cabinets. And at the end, you have this inset area where you can store your brooms, put in a cabinet. Out here is your 2-car garage with your tankless water heater. Let's head back inside. Continuing down the hall, it opens up into the main living space, open floor plan design, tall, wide windows looking out to your backyard through your covered patio. Over here is your fireplace, surrounded by tile all the way to the ceiling with a modern mantle. Flowing into the kitchen, you have an overhang of your island, space for your knees while sitting on stools. Around this side, you have space for your coffee area next to your fridge. In here is your walk-in pantry, plenty of shelving and an inset area for extra depth. Next to that is your microwave and oven with a large drawer underneath. Continuing down this wall, you have your 4-burner gas range with an updraft above. Tile behind. Over in your island, you have a large single basin sink with your dishwasher on the right and a trash pull-out on the left. Flowing into your dining space, windows all around. Your inset window in the door out to the covered patio has the built-in shades. And at the end of the space, you have a window seat. Continuing through the main living space, you have this hall opening into the primary suite. Another window seat over here, looking out to the backyard. Windows around, slight curvature to the ceiling. And double doors entering into the primary bathroom. Deep soaking tub next to frosted glass to retain privacy and let in tons of light. Step-in shower with a bench seat and tile up to the ceiling. Over here, you have dual sinks. And over here, you have your toilet room. At the end is the primary closet, long with plenty of racks and shelves all the way around. Let's head upstairs. At the landing, you have power, as well as large windows above. The top opens up into your game room with an overlook into the main living space. You can look out of the top windows as well as the large windows out to the backyard. And over here, you have your media room, power along all the walls. Over here is your Cat 6 and coax, next to all your other media cables. Let's continue this way. To the left of the landing, you have this upstairs bedroom suite. Window looking out to the front yard, curvature design to the ceiling, double doors into the closet. Next to the entry, You have your own linen closet, flowing into the ensuite bath with a tub shower, privacy window, opposite of that bedroom, you have the next upstairs bedroom with a window seat with these two windows out to the front yard. Over here, double doors into your closet. And on this side, you have an ensuite entrance into this full bathroom with double sinks and a tub shower, with a second door leading back out to the game room. Right next to that, you have the third upstairs bedroom, window out to the side yard, and double doors into the closet. Let's head out to the backyard. Heading out to your covered patio, there's power in the wall. Out to the backyard, tree in the corner. If this home and community interests you and you want to know more, reach out and let's make your dream home a reality. The Painted Tree community includes 250 acres of parks and trails inspired by our national parks. This is the Lakeside Trailhead, which is still under development. It's estimated to be completed later this year. Over at the Village Trailhead, you can find this pool with the great sun shelf in multiple levels, with these loungers to relax and soak up the sun. Back at the Outpost, they have gathering spaces, a food truck court, outdoor adventure park, playgrounds, and 2 trailheads. They also stock their 20-acre lake with fish. Painted Tree is also in such a great location. It's just 3 miles northwest of historic downtown McKinney and just 30 miles north of Dallas. In the nationwide rankings by John Burns Research and Consulting, Painted Tree was the top-selling master plan community in Dallas-Fort Worth. Additionally, it's in the highly sought-after McKinney Independent School District,